video, I promised you that in this video I will be working with a project for searching some keyword inside a file folder or something. Okay, so let me close this and I'm going to open my IDE that is called VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here in this video I'm going to use this and to teach you how to use this SAP process in real world scenarios. Okay, here I opened a project or a folder. Actually, here I have a folder called files, and inside this I have a file.txt. I just copied the text from the SAP process page. Okay, it's just some text. Okay, here you see we have SAP process allow you to do something like that. Inside here, for example, we're going to search for a keyword. Okay, for example, communicate. Okay, we're searching for communicate in the whole text. Okay, no matter if this text is one page or more or less, that's not matter at all. Okay, so let's go. First I'm going to show you how we can do such a thing from terminal, and then I will create this project using Python. Okay, so first let me go to files, and right over here the command that is going to be used for searching some keyword or something is called grep. Okay, so here let's use that grep dash I. Okay, and right over here provide the keyword. For example, it is going to be communicate. Okay, so after that you provide the file path. What is the file path? File path right now, I think this one, file.txt, and let's hit enter. When I hit enter, you see that it highlighted the communicate for me right over here. That is very cool. Okay, we found two things in here. So now we use grep, okay, to find some keyword inside a file. So is it possible to use it and do this with Python script or not? Of course it is. Okay, so the library, standard library that provides the service for us is called SAP process. In this project, okay, there's a little project. I'm going to use OS library and SAP process standard library to provide this project. Okay, so in the next video I will start creating this project. This project is not going to be too much hard. Okay, it's I think in the medium level of programming, so you will be able to do this in a very easy way. So see you in the next video.